Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to get your Malaysia virtual number from KrispCall. To purchase a Malaysian phone number on KrispCall, visit krispcall.com and either create an account or log in. Go to My Numbers by clicking the plus icon or accessing it through Settings. Click Purchase New Number. Select Malaysia from the list of countries. Click My Number after selecting your desired number type. Assign a name to your chosen number and add it to your card. You need to provide the required documents and information to our customer department to buy a phone number for Malaysia. Click Confirm Purchase to complete your order. If the number is unavailable on the KrispCall dashboard, you can get it privately. For that, contact our live chat support team. Note that getting a Malaysian number may take up to a few days. Once you have your Malaysian phone number, you can make and receive calls based on the purchased number types. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.